In a world where father and son relationships are tested by sports, road trips and awkward conversations about life.
He's back from his nervous poo.
Yeah.
Well, let's just say I have a different idea.
Seek the ultimate discomfort.
But he has no clue what I'm about to challenge him with.
Let's call him to tell him the good news. He's ringing. I wonder how he's going to take it. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly now. I couldn't hear you before. Could you hear me?
No, I couldn't hear you at all, no.
No, what are you up to?
We've got some news to tell you.
What's that?
We're booked on and we're doing a skydive over the pyramids. I don't think he was expecting that. We've got him good there. He is absolutely terrified of heights. And we are taking him up 10,000 foot in a helicopter and we are jumping out over the pyramids. Let's go and get him.
This whole idea came to light one evening whilst I was watching the sunset over the pyramids and I witnessed people falling from the sky. Yes, you heard me. Actual people falling from the sky. It wasn't until recently I realised how terrified of heights I had become.
He said don't be afraid.
I am afraid. I can't even stand up.
No, stand up, man. Come on. Come on, give me your hand.
And I had one lesson to teach myself. A head full of fears has no space for dreams. This was going to be my perfect opportunity to conquer one of my biggest fears. So I thought I'd book my dad on too to conquer his. And this is exactly how we've ended up in this current situation.
Today is the day we are heading back to Cairo to do our skydive in a few days' time. Fully packed up, now I'm just waiting for my dad to arrive, and that is the big question. Will he arrive or not?
Morning, mate.
Well, he's turned up. You ready for the big skydive?
I'm ready. I'm here.
He arrived. We're on our way. We'll see you at the airport. Getting on this flight to Sharm el Sheikh, and then tomorrow we've got a connecting flight to Cairo. Got him on plane 1. That is phase 1 complete. Another 2 to go.
After just moments of landing in Egypt, I received this.
Reckon you can settle your nerves in here before you do the skydive?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I ain't got no nerves. I'm all right.
Made of steel.
Yeah.
I've got nerves.
I'm going to jump out before him and make him chase me.
I'll hang back. Last step of the journey. We've got our ticket. We're heading to Cairo. We've got him on flight number 2. 1 more to go. Well, today is the day. We are all here by the pyramids, getting ready to do our jump.
Feeling great. Not nervous one bit.
Let's do it. First group has just come down and landed, packing away behind me. Ready for the next jump, which is us. And I'm not going to lie, I am bricking it. I am terrified. I am no good with heights. My dad is still showing no signs of fear at all. But he is a brave man. But how he's really feeling, I don't know. Sarah has no emotion. She's just silent, not saying anything really about it. I'm just here. This is where we will be landing, where we'll be coming down, and we'll be jumping from all the way up there, miles and miles and miles away in the sky, out of a helicopter. Got the Seek Discomfort top from Yes Theory Gang. Thank you, boys. It was down to their video that made me want to do this. Saw Amar jump out with his dad, so I thought I've got to invite my dad along to come and do this. So let's hit it, let's send it, and seek the ultimate discomfort.
Richard, Paul. So Paul, you're going to be jumping with Morgan. Yeah, mate. All right, mate. Let's go.
them pyramids. Good?
How was that?
We made it, that was incredible. First one's out, first one's to land. We fucking done it.
Yes, bro.
Let's do it.
Woo! Woo! Yes! Cool. You know it's nice. You can actually just There you go.
Amazing, thank you so much.
What was that?
That was so cool.
Cool, man.
Wicked.
The first one down, the viewport there is mad. First one out of the plane as well, look. Boom, God. He took me to the edge of the plane and we just stood there and I just looked up and next thing we just fell forward and I looked down and I was just smiling so much, my face was ripping. It was just like, it's insane, and here he is. Here is the man.
Well done, man.
Thank you so much. Awesome, awesome.
Innit? It's living.
That was awesome, weren't it?
Jumping out.
The thrill from that flying down was like,
Yeah.
oh, my face, I just smiled all the way, my face was ripping. I was like, I didn't think he would do it, but he done it. Both up there, threw me out first, think he went third.
Yeah.
Made it down, wicked view, what an experience. And this Sarah as well made it down.
We did it.
Together.
That was incredible. Thank you to Yes Theory for making us seek discomfort and get up there and take my old man and launch out of a helicopter. We did backflips, we went down. I thought he lost control, but we went down. I thought, shit, I didn't get my legs up enough. Then he come down, then he went bam backwards, and I looked at the helicopter and we come back round and then went rocketing down again. I thought, fucking hell! And the top of the pyramids is completely flat. Like, there's a couple of rocks loose on there, and we went right over the top. And there's definitely something missing from the top of those bad boys. I can assure you of that, 100%.
Could you see my drone?
Some adventures are meant to be shared, and some dreams are meant to be lived. It wasn't all just about throwing my dad out of a helicopter, but the three of us conquering our fears together. Some dreams take you to the edge, some dreams ask you to dive into the unknown, but it is in those moments when fear meets faith that we truly discover the power of what we can achieve. If your mind is full of fears, then there is no space for dreams.